Hello, welcome again. Now I'll solve this problem. Problem name is n dot character, and the problem is giving you a letter x. If the letter is lowercase, print the letter after converting it from lowercase to uppercase. Otherwise, print the letter converting it from uppercase to lowercase. That means if input is lowercase, I have to print the uppercase of it, and if input is the uppercase, then I have to print the lowercase of it. Okay, now let's solve the problem now. First I'll take a variable, character variable, and then I'll take input of it, scanf c, and then I'll make it lowercase to uppercase, uppercase to lowercase. um, okay, if x is bigger or equal to a, and if x is lower or equal to z, then uh, then x is equal to x minus 32, and then if x is bigger or equal to a, sorry, it should be uppercase, and if x is lower or equal to z, and it would be in single quotation. Okay, then x is equal to x plus 32, and then we will print just x, printf on c, then x. That's it, nothing else. And here is the input is in uppercase, so output should be in lowercase. Okay, we have made a mistake. Okay, it's x. Yeah, if input is lowercase, output should be uppercase. Yeah, maybe our code is right. Uh, let's check with uh, let's check with the problem. The problem is, yeah, accepted. Okay, see you again with a new problem.